Hi friends, I welcome all of you in today's Vedic Mathematics course. This is our Basic Vedic Mathematics course, a free course. Anyone can join it. Now, what we have done the last time, in our last session, we did square root of perfect square numbers. Square root of perfect square numbers, and I hope that you have already done it, you have practiced it, and you have been able to follow it. But however, if there is any question, please write in my comments box so that I can respond to your question. I'll be happy to do that. Well, today what we are going to do today, since we have already done so many lessons, let us today have some practice session so that you can revise the things which you have already done and you can really understand the things very well. So today we are going to start with our practice sessions. I'll give you some questions. So after writing that question, please give a pause and do it yourself. And after attempting those questions, come back, restart the video and listen to me what I am saying and compare whether you could do it well, could do it properly or not, and then that will be learning for you. Well, so let me start with the first question. The question number 1. The question number 1. Question number 1 is division by 9. You have done division by 9. It's a very interesting lesson. Divide by number 9. Right. So the first question is 21 divided by 9. Next, 37 divided by 9. 437 divided by 9. 5682 divided by 9. 7892 164 divided by 9 and 6321 548 divided by 9. So attempt these 6 questions. Attempt it yourself. I hope you'll be able to do it. And then come back again and compare what you have done. But then I will do these questions for you. Well, give the pause and just go to start doing your questions. Well, I hope that you have already done the questions and you could do it well properly. Now let us see what you have done. Right, compare it. The first question, 21 divided by 9. I hope you remember that this is being done through the Nikhilam Sutra. And in Nikhilam Sutra, we can find out the complement of number. So here the complement of number is 1. So 1 is written here, which we need not write here. Just remember it. There is only 1 here. Right? Now let us do the question. 2 will come as it is, 2 here, and then 2 into 1, 2 will write here. Add this 2 plus 1, 3. 9 does not go into 3, so 3 will remain as it is. So here 2 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. Quotient and remainder. I hope you have understood it. You have already done it. You have taken down 2 as it is. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 9 does not go into 3, so 3 remain as it is. 2 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. Next question. The question number 2. 37 divided by 9. Here again, 1 is written here. I don't write. 3 is taken as it is. 3 into 1, 3 right here. 7 plus 3 is 10. 9 goes one time into it, so 1 is here. And what's remaining? 10 minus 9 is 1, so 1 is here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 and 1. 4 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. It's very simple. You have followed it, right? Let me go for the next question. 437 divided by 9. 4 as it is here. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 9 does not go into it, so 7 here. 7 into 1, 7. 7 here. 7 plus 7, 14. 9 goes one time into it. What's remaining? 14 minus 9 is 5. So answer is 4, 8 is the quotient and 5 is the remainder. Quotient and a remainder, 48 and 5. It's simple as that. Well, let me do the next question. 7, 8, 5, 6, 8, 2. 9. 5 comes down as it is. 5 into 1, 5 right here. 6 plus 5, 11. 9 goes one time into it, and what's remaining? 2. 2 into 1, 2 right here, 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 9 goes one time into it, and what's remaining? 1. 1 into 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 9 does not go into it, so 3. And last number always put this line. So here the answer is 6, 3, 1 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. I hope you must have followed it by now, right? Very simple. Once you follow it, things are very, very simple. You can always do it. 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 6, 4 divided by 9. Division in one straight line, right? 7 as it is coming down. 7 into 1, 7. 8 plus 7, 15. 9 goes one time into it. 1 here, 6 here. 6 into 1, 6. 6 here. 9 plus 6, 15. 9 goes one time into it. What's remaining? 6. 6 into 1, 6. 6 here. 6 plus 2, 8. 9 doesn't go into it. We'll put it as it is. 8 into 1, 8. 8 here. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 goes one time into it. So we'll put 1 here. What's remaining? 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. Right here 0. 6 plus 0, 6. 9 does not go into it and 6 will remain as it is. Now 6 into 1 is 6. 6 right here. 6 plus 4 is 10. 9 goes one time into it. What's remaining? 1. So the answer is 8, 7, 6, 9, 0, 7 and 1 is the remainder. Okay, it's simple. Just you have to follow it, follow the process and you can do it in one straight line, the division of any number by 9. So here is the last question for you. 6, 3, 2, 1. 6, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 8 divided by 9. 6 as it is. 6 into 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 goes one time into it. What's remaining? 0. 0 into 1, 0. 2 plus 0 is 0. It is 2. 9 does not go into it. What's to remains? 2. 2 into 1, 2. Right here. 2 plus 1, 3. 9 does not go into it. So I put it down here as it is. 3 into 1, 3. Right here 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 9 does not go into it. So I put it as it is 8. 8 into 1, 8. 8 here. 8 plus 4, 12. 9 goes one time into it. What's remaining? 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3 here. 8 plus 3 is 11. 9 goes 1 into it. What's remaining? 2. So the answer is 7, 0, 2, 3, 9, 4. Quotient and 2 is the remainder. Okay, so we have done all the questions of 9, division by 9. I hope you must have followed it and you could see whether you could do it properly or not. So now let us go to the next question, the question number 2. Question number 2, here now the division by 8. The same process with little difference, division by 8. So the questions are, just write down the questions. 26 divided by 8, 35 divided by 8, 438 divided by 8, 986 divided by 8, and then 53269 divided by 8. Do these 5 questions. Write down these questions. Practice it yourself. Try it yourself. Then you come back to me to listen to me. So I hope by now you must have done the questions. Let us try to solve these questions here. And you can compare what you have done. The first question is 26 divided by 8. Well, 26 divided by 8, so I'll write here divided by 8. As you remember, the complement of 8 is 2. We write 2 here, just you may not forget it, 2 here. 2 comes down as it is, and now 2 into 2 is 4. We put 4 here. 6 plus 4, 10. 8 goes one time into it. What's remaining? 10 minus 8 is 2. The answer is 3 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. Quotient and remainder. Okay, very simple. Let me do the next question. 35 divided by 8. I'm not writing 2, you should remember that. 3 comes down as it is. 3 into 2 is 6, right here. 6 plus 5 is 11. 8 goes one time into it. What's remaining? 11 by minus 8 is 3. So the answer is 4 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. Okay? It's quite simple. Quite simple. Next question is 438 divided by 8. 4 comes as it is here. 4 into 2, 8. 8 here. 8 plus 3, 11. 8 goes one time into it. And what's remaining? 11 minus 8 is 3. Now 3 into 2 is 6. 6 here. 8 plus 6 is 14. 8 goes one time into it. 14 minus 8 is 6. So answer is 5, 4 is the quotient and 6 is the remainder. Okay? Simple, quite simple. Do the next question. 986 divided by 8. Here little difference. 8 goes into it. Goes into 9 one time, write 1 here and put 1 here because 9 minus 8 is 1. 8 into 1, 8, put 8 here. 8 plus 8, 16. 8 goes 2 times into it, write 2 here, 16. 8 into 8, 16. What's remaining? 16 minus 16 is 0. Now 8 into 0 is 0, so 0 put here. Here is 6. The answer is 130 is the quotient and 6 is the remainder. Well, so what's next? Let us do the next question. Five, 3, 2, 6, 9. Divided by 8. 5 comes as it is here. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 8 goes one time into 8, and what's remaining? 5. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 8 goes one time into 8, and what's remaining? 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 here. 8 plus 6, 14. 8 goes one time into 8, and what's remaining? 6. 6 into 2 is 12. So write down 12 here. 12 plus 9 is 21, and 8 goes 2 times into it, and what's remaining? 5. 21 minus 16 is 5. So the answer is 6, 6, 5, 8 divided by 5. 6, 6, 5, 8, 5. Well, things are quite simple. You have to just follow it and to remember that there is 2 here. 2 is, remember, don't forget to write that, to keep it in your mind and multiply accordingly, right? Let us do the next question. This was our second question. The third question is, third question, square the following numbers through the short method, squaring of numbers. Squaring of numbers through the shortest method. Which is the shortest method that you can do, by which you can do it, right? So the questions are 75 into 75 means 75 square, 55 square, 105 square, 305 square, 995 square, and 1005 square. Now here, as you can see that, say for example, if we say, and so here, write it down, practice it yourself, do it yourself, and then come back, right? Okay? Then you give me the pause for some time. Well, now I think by now you have already completed that, the questions. So let us try to do these questions. The first question is 75 square. Now here, remember one thing. I hope you remember that 75 into 75, when these two numbers are same, that numbers in the tens place are same, and numbers in the one place, total of that is 10, then we can apply the formula, the sutra ekadhiken purvain. Ekadhiken purvain means one more than the one before. Ekadhiken purvain, yeah, one more than one before. That is what we are going to apply here. And by applying that, 75 square, 1 more than 7 is 8. So multiply 7 into 8, 56, and 5 square, 5 into 5 is 25. Answer is 5625. The square of number we can do straight away. 7 into 8, 56, 5 square, 25. Here the best part is this, these are all ending in 5. And when you make square, 5 plus 5 is 10, it is always 10. And since these are the two same numbers, the numbers in the tens place is also same, so we can apply the ekadhikan purvain, or one more than one before. So let us do the next question. Next question is 55 square. So I'll do it fast. 55 square, 5 into 6 is 30, and 5 square is 25, 3025. That's all. There's nothing to be think about. 105 square. Yeah, take 100 as the tens place. 10 into 11. 10 into 11 is 110. and 5 into 5 is 25, 11025, right? So you can, I hope you followed it. 10 into 11, take 10 as a group, 10 in the tens place, 10 into 11 is 110, and 5 into 5 is 25, 11025. Similarly, 305 square. So here what you will be doing, that again we will take 30 as 1 tens place and 5 in the ones place. 30 into 31. 30 into 31 is 930. Right? Just multiply with 3 and then add 0. 930 and 5 square is 25. So the answer is 93025. 31 more than that, 31. 30 into 31 is 930, and then 5 square is 25, so answer is 93025. Quite simple. 995 into 995, 995 square. So 99, take 99 as one part and 5 in the ones place. 99 into 1 more than that, 100. So 9900. Mentally you can do. And 5 square is 25. Answer is 990025. Right? The last question. 1005 square. 1005 square. Here again, take 100 as this tens place and 5 in the ones place. 100 into 101. 100 into 101, how much? 100 and 100. 101 and 2 zeros. And 5 into 5, 25. I hope you have followed it. 100 into 101. Multiply, when you multiply it, 101 into 2 zeros. And then 5 into 5, 25. So 10100025 is the answer. So things are very simple when you remember that this sutra can be applicable here. Otherwise, you will keep on multiplying the thing in our conventional method. So now question number 3 is gone. Now let us do the question number 4. Now, question is square by near base method. Near base. Last time, in our last question, we have seen Ekadhik and Purvan by applying Ekadhik and Purvan Sutra. Here we are applying near base method. The questions are now 7 square, 93 square, 18 square, 103 square, 108 square, 996 square. Right? So these questions, write down the questions, practice it yourself, do it yourself, then come back again after pause. Right? So I hope by now you have completed the questions. Let us try to do it. Squaring of numbers which are near base. So here 7 square means 7 into 7. What is the method? You just follow it. This is the method we can apply. Multiplying the numbers which are near base, below base or above base. It can be below base or above base. You have already done it, right? So here this is below base because the base is 10. So here what will happen? 7 minus, we have to find out the difference. 7 minus 10 is minus 3. 7 minus 10 is minus 3. So it's all the same. So 7 minus 3 is 4. And minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. There is 1 0 in this place. So 9 will write here, it is 49. So in other words, whenever we want to whenever you want to find out the square of any number, what do you straight away do? No need of writing anything. Just find out the difference from the base, that is 3. So 3 is minus 3. So you subtract this from this number. The difference from the base is minus 3. So you'll again subtract that 3 from 7. So that makes us 4. And the difference is minus 3. That square is 9. So answer is 49. So again I revise it. Difference from 10 is minus 3. So you subtract from 7. If it is plus 3, you would have added it. Then it's minus 3. So minus 3, 7 minus 3 is 4. And minus 3 square is 9. So answer is 49. We'll just do this way in all the questions. No need of writing the things, right? 18 square. So what you do is 18 here. Above base, 10 plus 8, 18, right? Above base, so the difference is plus 8. If the difference is plus 8, we'll add it to it. 18 plus 8 is 26. And 8 into 8 is, 8 square is 64. But in the base, there is only 1 0. So we'll take only one digit here and 6 here. 8 square is 64. And the answer is 324. Remember it. What you have done? 18, the difference is plus 8. So you add it. 18 plus 8 is 26, and then 8 square is 64. We cannot write 64 two digits here because in the base is 10, there is only 1 0. So you write the 4 here and 6 here. One digit here and the remaining digit here. Add it, 324. That is the answer. Let me do the next question. 93 square. Here the base is 100 and the difference from base is minus 7. 93 minus 100 is minus 7. Minus 7. So since it is minus, again you reduce this number by 7. Subtract 7 from 93. That comes 86. Right? 93 minus 7, 86, and then minus 7 square is 49. Minus 7 square is 49. There are 2 zeros here, so we can write 2 digits here. The answer is 8649. 93, difference is minus 7, so since it is minus, we subtract it from 93 again, you get 86, and the 7 square is 49. There are 2 zeros, 49 here, 8649. Quite simple, right? Well, and the next question, 103 square. Here the base is 100 and its above base 3 is, plus 3 is the difference. 3 plus 3. Since it is plus 3, we will add it once again. It will make it 106. And 3 square is 9. In the base there are 2 zeros. So we'll make it, we have to make it 2 zeros here. 3 3 is square. 3 square is 9. So we'll put 1 0 here and 1 9 here. That will make us 2 digits. Because in the base there are 2 digits. So 10609 is the answer. Right? Quite simple. Let's do the next question. 108 square. Exactly the same. 108 square. So the difference is 8. So we'll add it. 116. And 8 square is 64. There are 2 zeros. We'll write 64 here as it is. That is the answer. 11664. Well, the last question is 996. Tell me what is the base? Base here is 1000. So there are 3 zeros here, remember it. Now 996, what is the difference from the base? It's minus 4 because 996 minus 1000 is 4. 996 minus 1000 is minus 4. Okay. So now since it is minus 4, we'll deduct minus 4 again from 996. I'll make it 992. 992 and square of minus 4 is 16, but there are 3 zeros here, so you have to put 3 digits here. 16, 2 digit, will add 1 0 here and write 16 here as it is. So think about, once again, 996 minus 1000 is minus 4. Since it is minus, we'll again reduce this number by 4 and it goes 992. And then 4 square is 16. There are 3 zeros here. We'll put 3 digits here, 0, 1, 6, and that is the answer. So I've completed this question of your question number 4 is completed. Now let us do the question number 5. Question number 5. Square the numbers. Squaring by formula a plus b whole square. Squaring by the formula a plus b whole square, you will follow it, right? So the numbers are 31 square, 88 square, 113 square, and 121 square. Let's try it, follow it yourself, do it yourself, and then come back again after a pause, right? So I hope by now you have completed it. Let us do the questions. What do you have to do it? We have to find out the square of these numbers through the method of a plus b whole square. 31 square. This 31 square, to apply this formula, we'll write as use 3 plus 1 whole square, considering 3 as A and 1 as B. So the numbers are, first write down the relevant numerals here, that is 1, the results here. Here you write a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So write down all these terms first and then place it properly. 3 square is 9, 2 into a into b is 2 into 3 is 6 into 1 6. So 2a, 2 into 3 into 1 is 6, and b square means 1 square is equal to 1. Now these 3 terms, you need not write it, you can just remember and just put it in the proper place. The place is here, remember, this is 3 means here 30. Its place value of 3 here is 30. Since 30, so there is 1 0 after 3. So we will place all digits here just by shifting by 1 digit. So first there is 9. Now since we are there 1 0, we will shift it by 1 digit and put here 6. Then again this is 1, will shift by 1 digit and write here. So the answer is 1, add it, 6 and 9. Understand it? First get the terms. A plus b whole square, 3 square is 9, 2 into a into b is 6, and 1 square is 1, b square is 1. And then since there is 1 0 after 3, we'll shift it by 1 digit. So 9 here, 6 here, shifted by 1, 1. So 9, 6, 1, add it, 9, 1, 6, 9, 9, 6, 1 is the answer, that is the square of this 31. Let's do the next one. 88 square. 88 square. Here it is 8 plus 8 square. So the first thing will become 8 square, and that's equal to 64. The next one will be 2 into 8 into 8, 128, and 8 square is equal to 64. We need not write it again, I am telling you. You can just write this point. So you remember that there it is 8 square is 64, just write 64. And remember here there is only 1 0 after this 8. This is 80. Place value is 80. There is only 1 0 here. So you can shift it by one digit only. 64, then 128. We have to shift by one digit. So write here 128. Then in 64 again you have to shift by one digit only. So write 6 here and 4 here. And the answer is just add it 4, 8, 6, 4, 7, 7, 7, 7, 4, 4. Right? Simple. Quite simple. Only thing is you have to shift it by the number of zeros in this seconds place. How many? As many as numbers of zeros. Right? So, and accordingly you will shift the numbers and place it and then add it. 88 square. After that 113 square. 113 square. Right? This means we will take it like this, 11 plus 3 square. So what we will be doing? 11 square is 121. Then 2 into 11 into 3 is 66. 2 into 11, 22 into 3 is 66. Here again after 11 there is only one zero in this place value here. 11, 110 is the place value. So there is only one zero. So the next is 2 into 11, 12. 22 into 3 is 66, shifted by one digit 66, and then 3 square 9, shift by one digit 9 here. Just write down 9, 6, 7, 2, 1. 1, 2, 7, 6, 9. Are you getting my point? 11 here plus 3. 11 square 121. 2 into 11, 22 into 3, 66. Shift by 1 0, one digit 6. 6. 3 square 9, shift by one digit 9, 9 here, 6 here, 7 here, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 7, 6, 9 is the answer. Quite simple. You can do it. Virtually you will do it mentally. I am just writing it to make you understand. Go to the next question. 121 square. 121 square. That means what? We will write as 12 plus 1 whole square. 12 is A and B is 1. So 12 square is 144. Then 2 into 12 into 1 is 24. There is 1 0 after 12. So we'll shift it by 2 into 12, 24 into 1, 24. We'll shift it by one digit. So write down 2, 4. 1 square, shift by one digit. 1 square 1, write 1, 4. 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5, 4, 1. Sorry, this is 6. 4 plus 2, 6. I think you have followed it. 12 plus 1 square. 12 square is 144. 2 into 12, 24 into 1, 24. Shift by one digit. So 2, 4. 1 square 1. Shift by one digit. 1 here. 4, 6, 4, 1. Well, we have done these questions. Now here we are coming to our last question, the question number 6. Question number 6. Here we have to find square root. Find out the square root of these perfect square numbers. Right. So let us find out the square root of 6776. Right? 6776. So what, if you remember, you will be able to do it very easily, but I will just write down the questions first. You will do it. 7744. And 42436. - 93025. Now, how do you know that these are all perfect squares? Perfect square numbers will end with such numbers which is the square of some number, which can be found out by the square of some number. Here 6 we can achieve by 4 into 4, right, or 6 into 6. 9 you can achieve by 3 into 3 or 6 into 3 into 3 or 7 into 7. Similarly, 4, 8 into 8 or 2 into 2. 6 again is that 6 or 4, 5, 5 square 5. But if it ends at 7, can you get 7 by multiplying two numbers? You cannot get. So any number which will end in 7 or even 3, can you get 3 by multiplying two numbers? You cannot get. Right? So all of the numbers are, so there are numbers where you cannot get those numbers by multiplying by the multiplication of two numbers or the squaring of two numbers. Those are not perfect numbers. But here all these are perfect squares. Similarly, you cannot get 8. It is not square of any two numbers, right? So 6, 7, 7. I have already told you the numbers which are cannot be a perfect square. I have told you. You can just refer to that. So just do it, practice it, attempt these questions, come back after a pause. Well, I hope you have already done it. So let us now do find out the square root of these numbers. So the first number is 6776. So what I said you that first you have to divide it in two parts, such as the first part remains, the rightmost part will have 2 digits and all others here, this side. Now 76, here see how this 6 can come. 6 can come either by 6 into 6 or by 4. That means in its square root, the number in the ones place will be either 6 or it is 4. That we know. Now let us find out the left part. 67 here is 7 square is 49 and 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81. So it must be somewhere between 8 square and 9 square. It cannot become 9 square because 9 square is 81, that is much more than this. So it can be somewhere 8 square means 8, this part. Means what? The square root should be 86 or 84. We do not know. Since the number in the ones place should be 6 or 4, maximum it can be like that, and the number in the tens place should be 8, so it can be 86 or 84. Now to find out whether it is 86 or 84. So you will try to find out the square of 85 square. 85 square you know by ekadhik and purben, because 85 square, 5 plus 5, 10, now total in the ones place is 10 and that 8 number in the tens place is same, so it will apply ekadhik and purben, 1 more than 1 before. 8 into 8 plus 1, 9, 72 and 5 square is 25. 7225 is more than 6776. So it will be definitely, it will become less than 5. It cannot become more than 5 or 5 itself. So if it is less than 5, that means the square root will become 84. It cannot become 5. If it is 5, then it becomes 7225, which is more than this. So neither it can become 5 nor it can become 6, which is still more than that. So it will become 84. So the answer is 84, quite simple, right? The next question is 15129. Now we'll do it straight away without writing anything. 29, 2 digits here. 29 means it will be 3 or 7 in the ones place. Now 151 is 12 square is 144 and 13 square is 116. I already told you that you should remember the square of the number is still 25 at least, right? So 13 square is 169. It cannot be 13 because it's already less than 169. So it can be 12. So the answer will be either 123 or 127. Let us see 125 square. 125 square is 12 into 13, 156 and 25. 5 square 25. Ekadhik and purben we have applied here. 15625 is more than this. That means the square root will become more than 125. If it is more than 125, it must be 127. Right? Have I done something wrong somewhere? 123, 127, 125 is 15625 is more, already, sorry. The 15625 is more than this, so it cannot become 5, it will become less than 5. That's what I am wrong. It will become less than 5, and if it is less than 5 means the answer will become 123. I hope you have followed it. We have come to this conclusion that the square root should be 123 or 127. Let us check 125. 125 by Ekadik and Purban, it is 15625, but 15625 is more than 15129. So definitely the number will become less than 125. So less than 125 means it should be 123, right? That is the answer. 7744. 4 here means what? Either it will become 2 or it will become 8. And here 77 means 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81. So it cannot become 9, it will become 8. So the answer will be either 82 or it will become 88. Let us try 85. 85, 8 plus 8 into 9, 1 more than that, 7 to 25. 7 to 2, 5 is less than 7744, right? So it cannot become 5, it will become more than that because the number is more than 7225. So it is more than 5 means the answer will become 88, right? It's quite simple. 42436. 2 digits here, either it will become 6 or it will become 4, right? Now 424, 20 square is 400 and 21 square is how much? 441, right? That means what? It cannot become 441. Here it cannot become 21, it will become 20. So either this will become 206 or it will become 204. We have to check now 205. 205 square is how much? Ekadik and Purban, 20 into 21. 20 into this 20 into 21. It will become 420. And 5 square 25, 42025. Now this 42025 is less than this, so it cannot become 5, it will become more than that, because if it is 5 it's already less than this, so it will become more than 5. If it is more than 5, the answer will become 206. Simple. Let's do the last question. 93025. The moment you see 5 here, it will definitely end in 5. It cannot become anything else because there is no other number by which it can become 5 by multiplying. 930. So how do you find out? 30 square is 900 and 31 square is how much? 31 square is 961, right? So it cannot become 31, it will become 30. That means what? It will become 30 means what? There is no other option, it will become 30 here, and the answer is 305 because you do not have anything else more than 5, less than or more than 5. It is only 5 here, and this part it cannot be more than 30, so the answer is 305. Square root of 93025 is 305. So what we have done? We have done all the questions, right? You have done all these 6 questions here, and I hope you have revised it and you could follow these questions. And this has given you some learning, right? Well, that's nice, very good. So next time what you're going to do, and if again I'm telling you, if even still there is any problem or any issue, please do write in the comments box so that I can reply to your questions, I can respond to your questions and your problems, right? Don't feel shy to do that. Well, now what we're going to do the next time, next time what we're going to do, cubing of numbers near base. Cubing of numbers which are close to base. That is what you're going to do next time, right? So, if you have liked this video, number 1, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and share it with others so that others can also take the benefit of learning Vedic Mathematics, this free Vedic Mathematics course, right? So, next time I am going to come back again. So, till the time I meet you again with my next session, with my next lesson, all the best. Please take care of yourself.